third type of question. Okay, so I gave you first, second, and now this is of different type, and this is a very important question. Is it clear? So now given series for which we have to find sum, so we can write it as Sn as 8 plus 8.8, 8.88, 8.888 to n terms. Is it clear? Now first few steps are the same. Okay, so now taking 8 common, 1 plus 1.1, 1.11, 2 n terms. Okay, now right here don't multiply by 9. Okay, we are going to naturally we have to multiply, but on the next step. Okay, so this becomes now 8, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 n terms. One thing, is it clear? Plus now remember one thing, why this is a very important question. Now I have used this one here, so can I write this one as 1.0? So here I have to write first of all 0, because from the given series I can't delete a term. Okay, so remember, don't overlook or don't neglect 0 here. So 0 means what? 0 means first term. Is it clear? 0 is a part of a question here. So 0 plus 0.1 plus 0.11 like this, 2 n terms. So this is what I want to teach you here. Now multiplying by 9. N, this becomes n terms, so 9 times n plus, now look here. Okay, let me write another step just to make you more comfortable. Let me write a step here, 8 with n. Okay, n. Now what I am going to do here, just look here, plus, now to this what I am writing, 0.1 plus 0.11. Now there can be a question. Now you can ask a question, sir, where your 0 has gone now. Okay, earlier you were talking that we are not supposed to delete the 0 here. So why you have deleted? I have not deleted. Just look here. It is 0.1, 0.11, 0.111 plus dash dash 2 n minus 1 terms. Okay, I have not, young man, I have not deleted 0 here. So from the n terms, when one term has gone, that's why we have written n minus 1 terms, and this is the major issue here. Okay, now multiplying and dividing by 9, we are having 9n plus 0.9. Now to this part you can go as we have done earlier. Eight by 9, 9n plus, now 1 minus 0.1 plus 1 minus 0.01 to n minus 1 terms. Okay, 8 by 9, 9n plus 1 plus 1, 2n minus 1 terms. One thing, negative of now 0.1 plus 0.01, 2n minus 1 terms. Okay. Now here this becomes a GP. Okay. So now for this part now we are having first term A is 0.1 and R is 0.1. Common ratio is also 0.1. Now this becomes 8 by 9, 9n plus n minus 1. Okay. For this part it will be n minus 1. Negative of, now just applying the formula, 0.1, 1 minus 0.1 raised to power n, raised to power n minus 1 upon 1 minus 0.1. Okay. So this becomes 8 upon 9, 10n minus 1 minus 1 upon 9, 1 minus 1 upon 10 raised to power n minus 1. Okay. So now to this we can write it 8 upon 9, 1 upon 9. Now I am taking the LCM here. Okay. 1 upon 9 with 90n minus 9, 90n minus 9 minus 1 plus 1 upon 10 raised to power n minus 1. Sn for the series becomes now 8 upon 81 with 90n minus 10 plus 1 upon 10 raised to power n minus 1. This is the answer.